Ho, 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 ho. Okay, hello, Sifu Mike here with a little pop-up Shaolin Butterfly Qigong lesson. I was out and about and I figured, you know what, it's a beautiful day. I'm in a beautiful location. This is the Wethersfield Town Green. Very historic in this area. People have been gathering here since the early 1600s. I don't know if anyone's ever made a Shaolin Butterfly Qigong video from here, so we may be making history. But I wanted to talk a little bit today about the principles of Shaolin Butterfly Qigong and then demonstrate them with some motion. So you see, the principles that I've enumerated and listed have been chosen from the art itself. They sound kind of generic, and they apply to other arts in other ways, and in fact, outside of Qigong or martial arts, these terms apply, right? They're well-known terms, but they're very specific to this art. So after practicing for over 30 years, I've, kind of boiled it down to the essence in a code. The principles are part of the Shaolin Butterfly affirmation, which we repeat when we practice Shaolin Butterfly Qigong, or you can use during the day like an affirmation. All right, so that's not what this video is on, but the principles are, the first two I'm going to talk about is unity and infinity. Now again, these ideas, they're pretty much universal, unity and infinity. Notice that they're like yin and yang, right? They go together, but at different extremes, right? Like the Tai Chi symbol. So in Shaolin Butterfly Qigong, very simply, all right, so unity, so I'm going to demonstrate. So this is one of the basic Shaolin Butterfly palm positions. This is a yin butterfly palm position. Palms facing inward. This position symbolizes and has the effect of nurturing ourselves, protection in the sense that I'm nurturing, I'm loving myself, I'm focusing my attention inward on myself. Protection. This has a natural shielding effect, similar to this or this. Now, unity, in this case, is unifying all aspects of ourselves, the universe, sky, and earth, here in the heart center. Okay? So again, this is a very fundamental posture of Shaolin Butterfly Qigong, and is emblematic of unity, the principle of unity within the art. Now, next is infinity. So very simply, I'll show you infinity, right? So you see, from the unity, right, I'm actually circumscribing an infinity symbol, a figure 8. And then I return to unity, but this time this is a balanced Shaolin Butterfly Yang palm position. Fingers up, but balanced, you see? There's any number of configurations for the palms, yin and yang, and many blended methods. Okay, so unity, and I'm going to normally I would do this more slowly, infinity. Okay? All that is. Now, energetically, what happens with these positions is it very strongly and safely engenders energy flow in the whole system. You see? I've gathered my energy and centered it. Now it's through this motion, it's circulating, it's changing and transforming, and then it unifies again, but in a slightly different way. Now that's going to be the topic of the next video, the principles of change and transformation in Shaolin Butterfly Qigong. Okay, so enjoy. See my website, ShaolinButterfly.com, for much more, as well as my book on the Shaolin Butterfly style, and at Amazon, where I get into this much more. And follow me online for other posts, YouTube, Shaolin Butterfly YouTube, and Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Okay, so live from beautiful Town Green here in Old Wethersfield. I think we just made history. Shaolin Butterfly Qigong from the green. All right, so thank you so much. Have a great day. Ho, 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 ho.
oh, oh.